Hello students, in previous video we have discussed about nesting habits of different birds. In this video we are going to understand the topic migration in birds. Migration means moving from one place to another. Birds' migration is a natural miracle. It is the regular seasonal movement. Some birds live in very cold regions, but it is difficult to find food and to tolerate the very low temperatures of these regions in winters. So they fly to warmer areas during the winters. This is known as migration. So, migration in birds is the annual large-scale movement of birds between their breeding summer homes and their non-breeding winter grounds. Bird migration is a two-way journey from breeding or resting place to feeding or nesting place, and vice versa. It is a periodic, regular to and fro movement. Birds are the greatest migrants. However, some species of birds do not migrate. Why do birds migrate? The reasons why birds migrate all come down to survival. Not just the survival of the migratory birds themselves, but also the survival of the chicks they will raise. Finding richer food sources, seeking safer habitats, and avoiding predators are all migration behavior designed to ensure breeding success. How do birds navigate? The secrets of their amazing navigational skills are not fully understood, partly because birds combine several different types of senses when they navigate. Birds can get compass information from the sun and the stars, and by sensing the Earth's magnetic field. They also get information from the position of the setting sun and from landmarks seen during the day. Migratory birds fly hundreds and thousands of kilometers to find the best ecological conditions and habitats for feeding, breeding, and raising their young ones. When conditions at breeding sites become unfavorable, it is time to fly to regions where conditions are better. Students, in recent years, long-distance migrants have been facing a growing threat from communication towers and tall buildings. Birds like Siberian crane, painted stork, flamingo, rosy pelican, and many others migrate to India in winters from different cold parts of the world, and they fly back to their cooler homes when summer starts. Students, the Arctic tern travels a distance of 176,000 kilometers from its natural home in the Arctic region to the end of the earth in Antarctic, and it does so twice a year. Here is a list of bird sanctuaries across India. Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, Gurugram, Haryana. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan. And this is the bird sanctuary which is World Heritage Site. Next, Chilka Lake Bird Sanctuary near Puri in Odisha. And in Himachal Pradesh, over 50,000 migratory birds have arrived at the Maharana Pratap Sagar Lake, also known as Pong Reservoir in Himachal Pradesh, Kangra district. Students, there is an activity for you. Collect information about different migratory birds visiting India at different places, and find out when they arrive here and when they go back. This is all about migration in birds. Thank you.